Hey guys, Jarod down here with Redwater Dodge, home of the Rig Ready Rams, Rig Ready Used and Rig Ready Approved. And today we're going to take a walk around this beautiful, fresh arrival used unit, 2024 Ram 1500 Sport, guys. Comes in that beautiful black on black with the night edition there, that diamond pearl crystal clear coat. As we come around the front here, so you're going to see, you're going to have your 5.7 liter HEMI underneath the hood for you. Tons of tread on the tires, mirror lights here for you guys, keyless entry all around, power steps for you, all-weather mats with all those nice sport accents throughout, full leather seats, makes it nice and easy to keep clean for you. We'll get into our back seat here. As you can see, 4 different charging ports, 2 USB-C, 1 USB. You're also going to have rear heated seats on this one, guys. Tons of storage underneath the seat for you. You'll have 2 cup holders in your middle seat there as well. Running flap or mud flaps already installed for you. Full tri-fold tonneau backup camera here, trailer tow, soft dropping tailgate, and then you'll get into your back here, so you will see you will have bed hooks as well, so you can strap down anything you might need to in the rear. Rear sliding window there for you guys. Here is where you will find your fuel cap into your rear seat on this angle. Power windows all throughout this one for you guys. And right here you will have your blind spot detection, as well as you will have your heated mirrors, front tinted windows for you guys. Getting into the driver's seat, 12-inch display for you, aux switches, adjustable wheel, leather wrap, memory seats, power mirrors, heated seats, all that good stuff, guys. If it interests you, give us a call, 780-942-3629.